I'm Joshua Bardwell, and I'm here at Quad Camp in Houston with Mr. Steele, and we're gonna fly the unicorn. I call this the unicorn. This is the MaxAmps battery that was. The marketing for this battery is so hyped, it cannot possibly be as good as the marketing. And when I tested it on my battery test machine, it did shockingly good. I was kind of stunned speechless, although if you know me, you know I wasn't really speechless.
Not even half of what it says.
It's not even half of what it says on the label, but it's still shockingly good. And so we were like, let's try it out. And I was like, do you want it? And he was like...
And I got some unicorn...
He got the other
unicorn balls right here.
Session 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to fly one of your normal Thunder Powers.
Yeah, that's been charged for like 3 days. And then we'll fly that.
Then we'll fly this and we'll just, you know, super scientific, see what happens.
Alright, well we'll fly this thing first, which is a 100C Thunder Power. And we'll try to knock this kid out of the sky because he's flown about 400 packs back to back. Did he even pay? Alright, that's good.
What channel are you on?
Oh, wow. 8.
So this is the Thunder Power.
This is. And I don't fly very fast, so you're probably not going to see like...
Never.
None of that's going to happen right now.
It's entirely subjective. He's going to fly the unicorn. He wanted to fly the unicorn. I was like, if you're going to fly it, we gotta video it.
Whoa!
Tree, wind. I'm out of control. Failsafe.
I think you're going to orbit, dude.
Did you seriously failsafe?
No.
People have been failsafing all weekend.
Oh yeah, watch out behind that one big tree.
He's on crossfire. He'll be okay.
All right, so let's. You can hear the. I don't know. That's full throttle, so you can hear the audio, right? Yeah. Talk about efficiency, bro.
Is that calibrated? Come on. 88 amps, really?
It is. Yeah, it is calibrated. I know it is.
I feel like that battery might just be holding me back.
Looks like you hit 89 for just a second.
Somebody else up?
Look at that. That was battery sag.
What? Battery sag?
I mean, this battery's been charged for like 3 or 4 days, and it's probably 3 months old. So, but actually, I think it's getting a higher RPM now that it's getting warm.
Because it heated up.
I don't think people realize, but warm batteries actually perform better. I may be plugging something there.
Do you have an Ethix battery warmer now?
It's called a microwave.
It is. Yeah, it charges your phone too.
Glad someone got it.
All right, so this battery's done. We're gonna fly the unicorn now.
All right, so you hit 89 amps on that.
I prefer to flip upside down when I land.
I do that too, but not as
fail-safe.
not as intentionally. How hot is it? Let's see.
I was joking. Yeah,
It's not bad.
It's not too bad.
It's only pulling 88 amps. You know, what do you want?
All right, are we ready to be impressed?
I don't know. I haven't flown it since the test. Literally, I'm really curious to see
Watch
what
it just go.
what a
Catch on
professional
fire.
opinion of this battery is.
All right, Kim.
Here we go. This is the MaxAmps,
I
the
hope
unicorn.
this thing sucks.
The
I'm not
unicorn.
going to change regardless because that's
Change what?
$65. The price
Oh,
probably
yeah,
is not
no.
going to justify the
I mean,
performance.
could it possibly? Let's find out.
All right, it's fatter. I can feel that already.
It's heavier.
You hit 100 amps.
But it doesn't feel any
It
faster.
doesn't look or sound.
It doesn't, actually it feels like it performs a little bit worse, to be quite fair, because it's heavier.
Right, the 100 amps could be because you're carrying more weight, so on a flat punch the quad has to work harder.
You were just holding 95 amps that whole punch.
Yeah,
How's
95.
the sag?
The sag's not really there. It handles like, obviously if I power over something and then I need power at the end, like I was just going through that gate and I needed some power. I don't know.
So maybe if you already have a light racing quad and a little extra bit of weight, less extra performance. Yeah, there's no way I'm paying $65 for a battery.
That I'm going to destroy.
Yeah, exactly. Especially if you're racing.
On the other hand, racers destroy their batteries anyway.
I'm trying to full throttle like as much as possible.
But do you want to destroy 3 batteries
But like, listen to the audio. The audio. I'm not gonna hit a higher RPM. Listen.
It sounds the exact same.
I don't know. That's full throttle, so you can hear the audio, right? And it doesn't climb any faster that I'm feeling, anyways.
Maybe flight time? Let's sag more flight time?
I'm at 1,000 milliamps. How? And now it's starting to sag.
14.8 volts, 1,000 milliamps.
It didn't look like it's sagging, but I felt some sag. Actually, it's pretty good still.
What? With that low battery?
What's it down to?
It's not that low.
You're at 1,200 milliamp hour and 14 volts.
Sagging to. I wasn't.
It's still good at 1,250 milliamps.
I wasn't battery at all until I saw it pull out of that dive at like over 1,100 gone.
Were you $65 impressed though?
So okay. So what are your thoughts about the unicorn? After
Feels like
having
a
fun?
1,500.
Yeah.
That's all I got.
All right. So there you go. Thank you.
Yeah.
This guy, he's going to be real big. Look for him on his channel. You want to plug your channel?
I don't know what it is. I don't even know.
No. Thank you very much for flying the unicorn and giving us your impression of it.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
That's it. Happy flying. Drew, what battery are you about to fly?
I'm about to fly that unicorn.
That unicorn, the MaxAmps. Let's see what you think.
Okay, no video problem.
When Steele flew the unicorn, we conjectured that he didn't notice as much of a difference because his quad was uber light and uber efficient and barely wants to pull any amps anyway. How's your quad? Is it light and efficient, or is it?
I'd still say it's efficient. I mean, it's high kV, so when you're in the higher throttle, it's not efficient, but you're burning amps there anyway. So like, I do consider these motors extremely efficient. And when I'm running around at mid throttle, whatever, I still get 3, maybe even 4 minutes of flight time. But then as soon as you punch it, of course, you
How many amps do you usually pull on your OSD?
80 or something.
80 or
You know
something.
what? I'll record OSD.
Yeah,
as well.
you better give me some DDR, right? Come on.
Get that tree. Get it back.
Okay, I am on your channel. Let's giggity.
Oh, sorry, my camera's a little jank, so it's shaking around.
Yeah,
Wow, 123 amps. Did you see that?
I did.
Holy crap.
Like I said, if anybody's gonna get a benefit, it's Drew.
From what?
That MaxAmps battery.
Mine hit 100.
But yours like once hit 100, and that's like you can basically almost that on that.
Do you feel any difference on the sticks with that battery compared to your normal one?
I mean, it just holds 1/3. I mean,
God, where'd you go? You're in the sky.
I'm in the
Where
sky.
the F are you? You're just in the moon.
Holy moon rapage.
26
No, I felt some sag. I'm starting to feel a little sag.
You went so high.
I know.
And then you just hung there forever. Can you do it again?
Again?
Yeah, do that again. That was epic.
moon.
That was kind of epic. 13.3. It's coming back up. It's coming back up. Wow, you really got up there.
Your new pilot name,
Craft name jet.
Yup.
Wow. Oh my god, that was terrifying.
Wow, I couldn't quite pull out of that.
Did it sag out on you?
It is, yeah, kind of sag.
It's a really old HS1177 with stock settings. But yeah, probably. But I have my goggles.
I'm flying way more heavy on the throttle than I normally would.
Of course.
Just to really see MaxAmps is there a benefit. We've already drawn 1100, so we're going to end with one more. Boom. It's still, wow, the fact that with 1100 drawn, it was still pulling.
Oh my god, terrifying. Wow, that was, yeah, you knew that was going to happen. You're good. Oh my god. Wow. What were you saying? Oh, there you go.
We're still up.
You're up.
Oh, this battery.
See, it's hanging at 14.4.
Alright, so we've drawn, it's still one more full. Wow, it still hits 120. Are you kidding me? That's ridiculous.
The battery was cruising.
All right, let's land and see how puffed it is or whatever. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Like that power loop crush, just super tight.
What's your opinion of the MaxAmps?
That's pretty cool. It's a novelty. I mean, oh my, it's not even that warm. Well, no, it's toasty. Okay, hold on.
Let's see it.
It's let me
Is it puffy?
It's not puffy.
It's not. It's really not.
I can't believe that my on-screen display was saying over 1,300 milliamp hours drawn, and full throttle was still putting out 120 amps. I mean, I don't know how accurate my current sensor is, but I'm just saying normally. Actually, I'm gonna put on one of my batteries that we don't have to record.
Put on one of your regular batteries and let's do a comparison.
Side by side.
Yeah. Okay.
What size is this battery?
1600.
This is the 1600. So we're drawing
What pack is it you're flying?
This is the Adrenaline.
1600.
1600.
Yep.
We've drawn 1200 milliamp hours. Full throttle, we're still hitting 130. It's 130 dropping to 110. So yeah, I think I was a little. I'm feeling like my reaction to the MaxAmps was hyperbole because I just don't really pay that much attention. So I thought I topped out at 80. Apparently I hit 130. Woo!
You're just not a throttle.
No, I rarely do that. I rarely just go full throttle to the moon. We've drawn 1500. Let me stop.
Let's see what it rests at. Maybe we'll compare after 1500. Yeah.
Well, no torn. For the most part, everybody's going home after this.
So, I was more impressed, but now that I've done it back to back, I think what I'm actually just impressed with is my freaking quad. That my quad's able to pull so much amperage. It's
How's
warmer.
the battery?
It is warmer and puffier.
Yep. It's new. It's older to be fair.
That's an older battery.
It's got more cycles on it.
Okay, this is was it that puffy before?
This is pretty puffy. Ooh, it's really hot too. It's really hot.
But it's an older pack. So this is really non-conclusive. This really tells you nothing other than I flew the MaxAmps, got really excited because it goes really fast, thought it was special, but then put on this other battery and, well, this is a hype train.
Maybe what we could say is that if there's not such a discernible difference between a brand new MaxAmps and an old used up Thunder Power, maybe the difference is not as big in flight as it is on the bench.
Yeah, that's what I'd say, right?
Well, final word.